Hi, this is John with WTI. And recently I've been trying to improve my selection for snacks and the different things that I would eat during the day. And this is where this Imperial nuts and seeds blends comes into place. This has almond, this has pecans, this had all these different nuts that are just awesome, whatever it tastes. And it gives like a nice salty twist that it has just a nice flavor. It's nice just to add this to anyone if you want to do like any one of your meals. I do this with my oatmeal. I eat oatmeal a lot. Or if you just want to grab one of these packs, put it in your backpack, and this is your snack to go uh, to share with other people. And the fact that it has this nice blend of the almonds and these other pecans and these other nuts with this slightly twist of the salty flavor makes it pretty much a great of alternative that is not going to be too high in calories and it just has a nice flavor. So this was John with WTI. That was my point of view.